guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In this video I'll be creating this easy peasy makeup look without any foundation. It's literally the easiest makeup look I've created. First I'll be using the Pixi Rose Ceramide cream and moisturizing my skin with it. This cream feels like heaven. I cannot emphasize enough. It makes my skin look so dewy and hydrates my skin to the fullest. Moving on to sunscreen, I'm using this one by L'Oreal. The link and the exact product name will be in the description box. You can check it out. It's a very watery, very moisturizing sunscreen, so you can use it before moisturizer or after moisturizer. It's totally upon you. Once our skin is prepped, I'm going to now move on to concealer. I'm skipping the foundation. You don't have to use a foundation on an everyday basis, or I could also say that you can skip concealer or just use foundation, but in this makeup look I'm just using a concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but you can use any drugstore concealer as well. I love the Maybelline Fit Me or the Instant Age Rewind as well. Talking about this concealer by Too Faced, it is bomb.com. The coverage it has given is so beautiful and my skin actually looked really flawless even in person. And yeah, if you are looking to splurge in a luxury concealer, I highly recommend checking this one out. I'm just going with another layer of concealer around my eye where I thought I needed a little bit more coverage. To set the concealer in place, I'll be using this Mineral Loose Powder by Faces Canada. I really like that it comes with an applicator, and the applicator is very efficient. It helps me set even the areas that are really tight, especially around my eye. And the coverage that this powder gives is also very good. It's a really good drugstore affordable loose powder if you're looking for one. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to first fill in my eyebrow hair using the Lakme Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Charcoal. It's mostly charcoal, but I will again cross check and I will leave the correct shade name in the description box. You can check it out. As usual, I'm filling in the sparse areas of my eyebrows with the pencil end, and then using the spoolie I'm going to brush them in the natural direction of my hair so that it looks natural and put together. Really love this eyebrow pencil. Moving on, I'll be using the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in the shade Peach Primrose, and I'll be using it on my crease. I'll be using it as an eyeshadow. I hope you're understanding what we're doing here. We're going for a very easy peachy monochrome look. So instead of using a separate eyeshadow or an eyeshadow palette, I'm just using the blush and applying it on my eyes, or on both the upper as well as lower lash line. And I'm using the same blush on my cheeks as well. To create that beautiful peachy monochrome look. Don't forget to take it on your nose because you want the peachiness to be there all over your face. Then I'm actually using a new product that was sent to me by Flicka Cosmetics, an Indian drugstore brand. Definitely check it out. And they sent across their newly launched Surprise Your Eyes mascara, which is a dual-ended mascara. I'm first using the volumizing end, which is going to help segregate my lashes properly and give the required volume. Really like this end of the mascara. Then I'll be using the lengthening end, which is going to give all the length to my lashes. I'm actually trying the mascara, but so far very good. I'm very impressed by this mascara. You can actually see it for yourself. You can get your hands on this mascara on their website. I think it's www.flickacosmetics.com, and I think they have a flat 15% off because it's a new launch. Then I'm going over with the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. It's one of my most used nude lipstick shades. I think it's a brown that is, actually meant for Indian skin tones. I'm just going to further pat it with my fingers to make it look even more matte. And then I'm going to set my whole face using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, using a beauty blender to make sure it is all blended well and the look comes together. I felt I lost a little bit of blush in the process, so I'm just reapplying it. And there we have it, a very easy no foundation makeup look. If you guys enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.